Then we are having the general ledger reports. For any ledger for all locations, we can select the so we can see the entries. So what are the payments made? So what is the debit, credit? What is the total balance? And we can see it in the net balance details here in the ledger. So this will be exported in a PDF and it will be sent to the suppliers or customers. So any ledger that we can take and we can do the entries. This is another supplier details. Any details that we can export in a PDF and we can send it through mail to the customer for any statement request. So this is the account transactions for the day. So I am using today's date. Sorry. So what are the payments made today here? All the details we can see in the one report. So day-wise transaction report. So this and all we can see what are the check payments made, other payments, what are the other payments. So these details we can get it here in these reports. This is the grouped ledger. So if you want to filter for particular group, so you can select. So here suppliers. So if I select suppliers, it will show all the supplier details here. If you want to filter any particular supplier, you can filter here. So you can see the particular supplier details here. This is the financial statements like trading and loss, P&L, balance sheet, trial balance. This is we are having in the summary detailed, group detailed. So in the track we are having as a functional key as a consolidated summary detail like that. But in here we are having separate reports. So this is for all location also we can check, or particular location also we can get the report. The same way for the balance sheet also we can see the detailed for particular outlet or all the outlets we can see the reports. This is for all outlets. This is the daily consolidated report for the day. So we can select the particular day and we can see the consolidated report for the day. How much sales, how much purchase, what is the bank balance, cash balance, Sunday debtors, Sunday creditors. Those details we can get it here. Then in account books, day book, cash book, bank book, purchase, sales book available. So day book also you can check it for the day, current date, what are the entries we have made. So what are the entries we have made that we can see for all locations, or if we made any specific locations, that also we can get it here. Actually the sync is not happened from that outlet, so it is not showing. If you select all location, it will show now. So these are the master reports, ledger masters. So once you create the masters, if you go to reports, more options, masters, ledger master. So if you click on ledger code, whatever the ledgers created by us, it will display here. You can select and you can push it to the outlet. Select all outlet and send. So there will be some expenses, set of expenses will be there standard for all outlets. So those kind of expenses they can create centralized and push to all outlets. So it is easy for us, everyone can do the payments easily in the specific ledger. This is the audit transaction audit report, master audit report, opening and closing stock audit report, any changes. So this we can do the auditing. Here also we are having the GSTR filing reports details here. This is the sales registers available, purchase register available in each locations that we can check it here. These are the payment and receipt registers, journal registers, all registers available. So in the two books it is like track only. So here we are showing all outlets as well as the outlet specific. We can see the details. Here we can see the payment register for all outlets or specific outlets. We can see the transactions. This is a tools configuration, admin configuration.